Welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm back here at Lowe's and I'm going to show you their May tool deals and savings here. So first up, we've got these Craftsman days. You buy one Craftsman battery starter kit and you get one bare tool free. But it's not only the battery starter kit. You can get the leaf blower kit or the trimmer kit, and those both come with battery and charger. It says it's a $228 value. Now it's showing all these tools that are the free tools you can get. These are the bare tools. It looks like the orbital sander, grinder, inflator, mosquito repellent. That's pretty interesting. So this first one up here, I'm going to show you all the boxes. This is a circular saw. It's a 20 volt with a 3-year warranty. Now this is that mosquito repellent. It's a 2-pack. It says tool only for $79. But it provides a 20-foot dome, which it says uses only thermocell repellent cartridges. And apparently it's supposed to keep mosquitoes away. Let me know in the comments if you've used this before and what you think. I've never heard of it. This is a high pressure inflator, tool only, but you get it free with this deal. 20 volt, and then you have the oscillating tool with a 3-year warranty. And it says tool free release there on the actual tool. This is a hand vac with 50% more suction power, cordless hand vac. And of course you get this free with this deal here. This is a 3/8 of an inch ratchet from Craftsman. This is what it looks like here. 35 foot per pound's max torque, it's saying, and with a 3-year warranty. I think all these have the 3-year warranty. This is the 1/2 inch power file. It says tool only on this, of course. And then we'll come down here. This is the orbital sander. It's a 5-inch orbital sander. Tool only, 3-year warranty. This is the reciprocating saw, tool only. And they just had all these tools lined up in the middle here. And it's nice. I haven't seen kind of these deals from Craftsman, I don't think. This is a 4.5 inch grinder tool. It's the tool only. And it has the tool-free guard position with this as well. And next up to the right here, this is that battery. So you can choose to get the starter kit. It's the 4 amp hour battery and the 2 amp hour battery. So you have the 2 different batteries, charger. Now it's saying it has 3 times more capacity as well. And it also has an LED indicator on it so you can see what the charge is on the batteries. Now if you don't want the batteries and charger, you can get the leaf blower here. And this comes with the battery and charger as well. Or you can get the 10-inch string trimmer and edger, and that's going to come with a battery and charger as well. And with these two, you also get the free tool. It's not just with the battery starter kit. You can choose one of the blower or trimmer kits. So this is a free select tool when you get one of the Cobalt kits. So they're getting on the action as well here. Now their kits are $149. You can choose the 2 batteries and a charger kit, or the driver battery and charger kit here. Now the reason this one's more expensive is this has the 2 4 amp hour batteries, and they're doing that as well with the driver kit. So they've got the driver you can test out here, and they've got them underneath as well. So that's $149. Don't forget, you'll get the free tool with that deal. Now this is from Dewalt. You buy one of these tools, and with this you're going to be getting a little paper you bring up to the front, and that's you get one 12 volt max starter kit for free. And that's a $129 value. And these are the tickets you just bring up front to get that deal, and they'll bring it up. So these are some more of the tools you can get: the circular saw, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, and really anything pictured here if you see there's something. And these are in the 12 volt aisle, these other tools here. Hammer draw, bandsaw. And one thing I noticed right behind me is that these tape measures are not locked up. In Home Depot, they were locked up for whatever reason. So they've got these kits as well for $229, $349 down from $399 for the 4-tool kit. The 6-tool combo kit is down $499 from $559. And these have been kind of the same kind of deals for the last month or two, but they're still pretty decent. This is the 4 amp hour 2-pack for $129, 6 amp hour battery pack, 20 volt max XR. And now this is interesting. It says it's a flex deal. Buy one tool and get a free battery. But that's for flex. This is Metabo. So I'm not sure if they just were placing things around like this for some reason, but either way, on this nailer, you are getting a deal on this, and the nails are right next to it. So here's the flex deal, or this is one of their deals. You can get a free tool with a purchase of the starter kit or the 4-tool combo, and they have one of their flex drivers out you can try. And then beneath it, they have the same price as the Cobalt deals here at $149. Now Flex has their very similar deal to Cobalt here. You buy one of their starter packs and you get a free tool as well. So these are some of their tools here. It looks like the orbital sander, drywall cutout tool, a router tool or a trim router. It says tool only. And then the variable speed angle grinder with paddle switch. Now these look like they're higher priced items. So that might be a better deal, but it just depends what brand you want to go with. Now this is the EGO outdoor equipment brand. You get if you buy the brushless string trimmer, you get a free 5-pack of the trimmer line. So this is what this one looks like here. It's $2.99, so that's not, it's down from $3.29 if you want to pay that much. 16 inches of cutting diameter there. And that's what this tool looks like from end to end here. And here is the trimmer wire, some bright orange trimmer wire. It's going for $16, so you can get this for free if you buy that trimmer. Craftsman have some more deals on their mechanic tool sets here. This is a 61-piece SAE and metric kit here. For $49, it was $74. And they had sales on all these here. 69 was $94. And this is for an 83-piece set here. SAE and metric, 72-tooth low-profile ratchet included as well. And these boxes are very thin. I kind of like that. It has a full lifetime warranty on this one. And then the larger one here, 159-piece kit, comes with the thin ratchet as well. For $99 was $199. That's $100 of savings on that one. It comes with the warranty. Like I said, I like the case. It has a real thin profile. This is a Craftsman 6-gallon pancake air compressor for $129. It was $169 with 150 max PSI. And this is what it looks like here. This is a yellow tag item for $32. It was $55. It's a Craftsman, I think it's a wall-mounted laser level. It's a 20-foot self-leveling laser level here. Comes with the battery, which is always nice, as well as a lifetime warranty. Now this is $14 down from $23. This is a yellow tag item. It's from Cobalt. It's some gel stabilizer knee pads, and inside looks pretty comfy there if you're laying tile or whatever you're doing where you need to be on your knees when you're doing construction work. Now Dewalt had some of their corded tools here. For $89 down from $99 is a 4.5-inch angle grinder. It's a 9-amp tool. This is from Dewalt. The 1.5-inch keyed corded drill for $199 was $219. And these are on all their corded tools here. 1/2-inch hammer drill for $149 was $169, so $20 off that tool. Looks like they're making space maybe for the non-corded tools here. This is the drywall screw gun for $84. Was $91.98, and this is the tool here. Now this is from the Borer brand. It's a angle duplicator. It says Mitery X Compact Angle Duplicator, $18, and it just shows the different. It says crown molding, baseboard, trim, and I'll show the back to you here at how it works. You basically kind of put it into the angle you're trying to duplicate here, inside and outside angles. Remove the wiring from the body, and then you can kind of place it on the saw to set your angle there. So it kind of takes the guesswork out of that, and some math, I suppose. This is a Cobalt electronics repair kit for $22. It was $34. 50-piece kit, lifetime warranty. You can see the different tools here. If you're trying to get down into some small electronics. And this is what it includes here. Precision driver pry tool with Phillips handle. And you can kind of see from that black and white picture. This is $19. It was $54. It's a Dewalt 12-inch saw blade here. or it's a pack of two, sorry, two pack of the Dewalt saw blades. It says up to 2 times the life on these saw blades here, so it's a pretty good deal. $34 and $39. This is 34 down from 39, and this is 39 down from 44 for the screwdriver bit set. And they had a few of these here, and you can see you get all the different bits here in a nice kind of slim case. This is from that EGO brand as well. This is their brushless leaf blower for $229 down from $269. And then $179 down from $219 is their handheld leaf blower. And that includes the battery and charger as well. A 2.5 amp hour battery. And the EGO brand was running sales on their mowers as well. This is $549 down to $499. $399 down from $449 for this mower. And then their Toro brand is down to $679 down from $729 for their 60 volt lithium mower here with a 65 minute runtime. 65 hour would be nice. This is from Cobalt, $399 down from $499. These are the specs just on the different mowers. This is their 20 volt push mower with rear wheel drive, $299. That's a decent size there. That's the comparison of that 20-inch one. That's a 16-inch deck there. So $299. This is a 20-inch deck, so that's nice. It's a 40 volt max mower with a 60-minute runtime. And that's 20 inches there. It's pretty good. Really, 16 and under, it kind of just feels to me a little too small, but I mean, for smaller yards, it should do it fine. Now, the Skill brand has their deals here. For $349, it was $399. They've got their 40 volt mower with a 20-inch deck there. And this is the one next to it. It's $249 down from $329, so it's a pretty good deal. And that's a 20-inch deck size, up to 45 minutes of runtime, so it's a little bit lower. This one's 50 minutes of runtime for the $349. So in this, you're going to buy a Craftsman 20 volt max 20-inch deck mower, and you're going to get a free leaf blower or trimmer. So it's a pretty good deal when you buy that mower there. This is what it looks like here. I think that one's missing a cover. I compared it to the one next to it, and I was like, I just think it's missing a cover there. I don't think it's meant to be like that. And Toro has their gas mowers for $429 down from $459. It's a little bit of savings there. That's their 22-inch deck there. Recycler and bagger there. 150 cc's gas mower. Then Craftsman has their push mower. $349 was $369. And that's their 21-inch deck. That's got a real nice look to that one there. And Craftsman has their 1900 PSI 1-point GPM power washer. It's got a 3-year limited warranty for $169. This is what it looks like here. That's what the machine looks like. It includes everything you need, the different nozzles and hoses. This one's $99. This is an 1800 PSI 1.2 GPM. It is a corded machine and it includes everything you need with the foam cannon as well, with a 3-year warranty on this product. That's pretty good savings, $99. Now this is from Greenworks. This is their pressure washer. I'm going to put some links in the description for different similar products. This one is $199 down from $249. It's a 2100 max PSI. Has a soap tank, 25-foot hose, and everything you need with that nice kind of bright neon green color on that one here.